It's easier if you just get dropped off. Except Liam did catch a 4-pounder. Nothing broke his rod on like a 3-pounder trying to boat flip one over there. That's a pretty good one. Right off the wall?
Yeah. Thank you, buddy. So we're not gonna make it under the bridge.
I have family obligations. No problem.
Look at how he ate it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the. I'm gonna have to do some surgery.
Well, anyways,
Thank you, buddy. Certain people like it. Good one. Is it a musky? Oh no! You got him?
Not as good as I thought.
No, but he's a keeper for sure. He's a 2.5 pounder. Fish slide.
Okay.
Got one.
Was out. Oh, right when he hangs up.
Right when he hangs up.
Hangs up. Small?
No, it's not tiny. It's big enough to put on the scale for sure.
I wasn't really feeling this spot at all. Like before we had come over here. It's a pretty good one.
He absolutely smoked it.
This is a small one. I think I had a huge pump of weed.
268. That one's a keeper though.
It's bigger than I thought. Double up. Wait. Pound of grass with him. 187.
Thank you. There she goes.
Jeez, good thing freaking 5, 6, 7, and 8 are full.
There's one. Oh, maybe he's bigger than I thought. I thought he was small. Yeah. Numero 5.
Right next to the freaking boat.
Oh, okay. I think that one's bigger than this one. 152.
Double up again. He ate it literally right next to the boat.
Yeah, that one's bigger than this one. So I'll let you call him out, but... Alright, I'll put mine back.
Choked it down.
Thank you, buddy.
Put him in 5. Okay, thank you.
Oh! Got one!
I didn't know.
Well, he ate it like right as the train was there.
The crap honestly might be a little more tricky. Especially because you can bomb it after.
Oh!
It's a tiger, isn't it? Yeah, it's a tiger musky. Wait. Okay, yeah, come back.
Good thing I just retied. Don't. Thank you, buddy. Mm-hmm.
Oh my god!
No!
Oh my god. I can't tell. They're jumpy with treble hooks.
He's got it choked.
It's a pretty good one.
But look, look.
Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying.
Holy 1K in there. To unhook one hook.
Weigh him, Bo.
What?
Weigh him.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Got one. I got him. Don't worry. He's hooked on the outside of the mouth.
393.
All right.
All right, let me make sure this one swims.
All right, thank you, buddy.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Good one?
Yeah.
You got it, or? No. Not that one. You like got it in mouth.
Yeah, he's a good one. Thank you, buddy. Oh. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. He just got a lot of fight in him.
That's pretty big.
He took me for a ride. Thank you, buddy.